Crimson. Stop pissing off Crimson.
Wait, who is this? Who is this?
The orbit of all-knowing gods. The orbit of all-knowing gods. The orbit of all-knowing gods. The orbit of all-knowing gods.
Guys, how do we defeat it? How do we defeat it? How do we do this?
Damn, bro, you gotta die. You're just gonna die.
Oh, get on top of the building. Get on top of the building.
Get on top. Get on top. I'm running. Get on top of what? Get on top of what?
Get on top of the building.
At the front. I don't know what he's saying. You're not surviving this.
Yo, we're dead.
What do we even do? Bro, my controller's sold. What the fuck?
Oh no! 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 Avengers! Assemble!
This is the song for avoiding.
Yo, this is peak, bro.
Why are we in a These fucking controllers are actually pissing me off.
Why y'all do this? Yo, I ain't get it too much.
Yo, we're done. Yo, we're dead, bro. What was we thinking, bro?
Just stay behind it.
This is why you never rate Crimson, bro.
Finally. We finished Crimson, now we're gonna die. I don't see him. Wait, is that him? That's a crazy. You don't know. Wait, is that him? That is him. This is Void Silver. That's it. That could be him.
Oh, I can see. A bit more. I can see light. I see the light.
Okay, I can kind of. If we survive, do we get anything special? I don't see him at all.
Somebody go down there and sacrifice. Somebody go down there.
Yo, wait. Yo, where'd the timer go?
Can't see because it's so dark. What?
Yeah, I don't see him at all. He's right there. I didn't see him.
Where?
Where the light is? The light is right there. No, that's a person. That's a person. No, that's...
I can
Yeah,
see.
nothing happened. I'm confused.
Oh, you gotta wait until the end. You gotta wait till the timer's
Guys,
off.
look, he's gonna die. He's gonna die.
Everybody is all marked, no light.
Smack.
He's big, so can he just up here? Wait, he's big? I don't like big guys, no.
All the way down.
It's me. Yo, it's been a while, bro. He's all marked, no light. I didn't see him. This event is so confusing. What is happening?
Bro, don't worry, we wanna make it out alive, bro. We wanna make it out alive.
Like he's nowhere to be found. We're probably gonna survive this because he's literally nowhere.
How you doing?
Oh, we can see. We can see.
Nah, I know what it
See the
was.
light.
Yeah, see? Oh, it's getting dark.
Oh.
Did it end? Wait. It
Wait.
did? Oh, no, it did.
I can't see anything.
Did it end? I think it did.
Whoa.
I think it ended. No, it ended.
Oh.
No,
Oh, no.
Wait.
No.
We have a timer. We have a timer.
Oh yeah, we
More
died.
timers?
I remember this. Don't respond this before. You die when your time
Where do we go?
There's
This
nowhere
one,
to go.
this
You
one,
don't
this way.
live.
This one, this way, guys. This way.
Just keep running.
Run!
It's getting Slenderman. It's getting Slenderman. It's getting Slenderman.
Yo, just run.
Just run and don't stop. Just run and don't stop. Just run and don't stop. Wait, how fast is he?
We're cooked. We're cooked. We're deep fried. Chat, we're deep fried.
We're gonna
Fuck,
get
we're
fried.
gonna fuck
We're deep fried.
Go to the corner. Go to the.
Oh. What the hell? That's weird. I'm sorry for angering the monsters a little bit too much. I'm sorry. There's nobody in Maine now. They got kicked out. What the fuck was that?
Hey.
Did you know what happened just now?
What?
I think we angered all of the monsters a little bit too much and we got sent to this realm.
Well, like, is that why there's nobody, like, on?
Yep, all of them got kicked out. All of them got kicked out.
Well.
Everyone got kicked out.
everyone got
That's
kicked out.
why. That's why.
Crash.
There was a countdown. There was a countdown.
That is why I joined and like, whoa, it's not that late in the afternoon. Why is nobody on?
Let's go see the monster. Let's go see what monster that was.
Yeah, I was in Orbital of All Gods. I was in Orbital of All Gods.
That was
Monsters Kick? Black Hole?
That monster,
Yeah, that monster's kicked. I just got kicked.
I was probably,
by a
yeah, I got
monster.
kicked too. I got kicked
Wait,
too.
they
I was
kicked
probably
now?
that
They
one.
kicked now? What? Ben? Which one?
That one, I don't think so.
Oh,
Kate
oh,
Parker? Kate Parker? I was in a dark
Is that a false alarm?
Did y'all live?
Close the damn doors. Come on.
There's nothing even happening already?
Probably just a false alarm.
Oh, Jimmy.
This is my least favorite monster, bro.
It's probably just a false alarm.
Yo, bro, some events are so fire in this game. Like, this is actually one of the best parts. Not even lazy. Like, they actually have events and game modes.
They all hear that?
Guys.
What the flip is that?
What?
Make you run, Bluey! Smack him out, guys.
Oh no.
Got a mountain. Guys, come here. Let's go to the mountains.
No.
Okay.
Go to the mountains. I never seen him before. I never seen him before.
Okay.
But when an event happens, you guys missed it.
So you go first. Alright, bro, I'll go first. Y'all join up. Y'all join.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back.
I'm just lightsaber duel.
Does anyone know that event that just happened where we just got sent to that outside the map?
Yeah, the timer and
Yes,
stuff.
that was Orbital of All Gods.
Oh.
Why did that happen? Do you know?
You being
We
ranged
race baited
Crimson.
Crimson.
Oh. Okay, let's do it again.
Okay, let's go!
Find him!
Oh, we need
Is
more
that him?
people than that. We need more people than that. Yes. Oh.
Alright.
Hey there.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
more people.
Is that Crimson? Was that Crimson?
Where?
Just over there. Over here. Over here.
Where?
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh yeah, I think that's Crimson.
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 Hey.
What's that noise? Don't like that noise.
I don't know, but I don't like it. We should go back. I'm scared.
I'm scared.
Me too.
Scared. Ah! What?
Why you go for it?
I got one bullet, boy.
Why is everybody here?
It's Angry Crimson.
I crashed into the wall. Guys, go to the boxes.
Where's Crimson?
Go to boxes. Crimson. Is that Crimson?
Oh, yeah, you. Oh, this.
Guys, what monster is that? I don't know. I haven't played this in a day now, so I forgot all the monsters. I forgot all their sounds. Yo guys, where are you guys at?
We're at the shop. Shop.
Oh,
Where do we
No, actually, where Crimson? Where Crimson?
are you trying to buy this?
I want to see what Crimson looks like.
Hey, you have a tool. Let's go.
Crimson. I don't know what it looks like. Crimson. Crimson.
I didn't know how
Crimson.
Crimson. Yeah, his name's Crimson.
Guys,
His name's Crumbling.
dead.
No, oh! I chugged you down the gateway. No, oh! Yes, I did. I just chugged down the gateway.
I got Crimson. I got Crimson.
Come on, guys, there's it is. Guys, we gotta go get Blim Blim.
Yeah, blim blim.
Guys,
Blim Blim.
go to the stairs. Go to the stairs to get.
Let's go get blim
We're
blim.
trying to get this gargantuan.
No, we're getting Crim Blim.
Oh, whatever the noise is. Isn't that
What the fuck?
gargantuan what's playing right now?
I saw a big light. Holy fuck.
If you're scared, stay in that corner. So you can. So a better chance.
He's coming down. He's coming down. He's coming down. Oh my fucking god.
He's coming, guys.
Yo, why'd you close the door?